So you thought Apple would finally fix it, you thought the ugly black pill at the top of the screen was gone, everyone said Apple would copy Android and give us a clean screen, but you were wrong. Apple decided that looking different is more important than looking good. They refused to use that small hole punch camera on the left side. I knew they would not do it. Apple is not stupid enough to copy a cheap Android phone from 2019. They need you to know it is an iPhone from a mile away, but their big solution is disappointing. They are keeping the dynamic island, they just made it smaller. Yes, leak says they managed to hide the Face ID parts under the glass. Now only the selfie camera sits in a tiny pill in the center. I know they will call this a massive innovation. It is not, it is just shrinking a distraction. It still blocks your movies, it still plays the same animations we saw on the iPhone 14. They are selling you less black space and calling it a feature. But the inside of the phone is where they hide the real changes. They are using a new A20 Pro chip. It is very fast, it saves power. They might even put a massive 5000 mAh in the Pro Max. That sounds great, but then they are adding a custom modem for a better signal. Apple has struggled with modems for years. We have to wait and see if this actually works or if it just drains that big new battery. Now, if you turn the phone around, the disappointment continues. It looks exactly like the iPhone 17 Pro, the same square camera box, the same triple lens. If you buy this phone, nobody will know you upgraded. It is the same old design with a slightly smaller hole on the front. But they are trying to distract you with something else. A foldable iPhone is finally coming. It opens like a book. It has a big screen on the inside. They plan to launch it with the iPhone 18 Pro. We all know they are years late. Android has done this forever, but Apple will act like they invented folding glass. But this creates a new problem for you. Report says they are splitting the launch. The expensive Pro phones and the foldable phone come in September 2026, while the normal and cheaper iPhones are pushed to 2027. You see, they are forcing you to choose. You either spend a fortune in September or you wait months for a phone that is already old. This is not about technology, this is about making you pay more for a smaller cutout and a foldable screen that should have been here years ago. So what do you guys think of this year's iPhones? Let me know in the comments. With that being said, subscribe if you like and I will see you in the next one.